How to set a video as a video call background on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the More button. From the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. Now in the Call Settings page, go down and tap on Call Background. In here, tap on Background. Then we can scroll down and select a video from your picture gallery. So here, I'm going to tap on the video category or video album. And from here, select a video that you want to use. So I'm going to select this video. In here, you can also tap on the Edit button and you'll be able to trim the video. So in here, you can drag on the beginner selector or the end selector to trim your videos. And then tap on Done. After that, you can also choose to use video sound as ringtone or not. So if you switch this on, it will use the sound from your video as ringtone. Now, because I do not really have any loud sound, I'm going to switch it off and then tap on Set as Call Background. And that's it. So now when you receive an incoming call, that video will play on your incoming call video, on your incoming call. And that's it. So that video has been set as your video call background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.